You guys are watching this video because you are interested in dropshipping. So, how do you start with dropshipping? So, guys, this is printify.com. Over here, you can design number of products and then you can list these products on your website. So you can design products like t-shirts, then you can design products like mugs and all. So basically they have different types of catalogs. So I'll show you. They have catalogs like t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, magnet and stickers, wall decors, and even they have beauty products. So basically on these particular designs of t-shirts, sweatshirts and all, you upload your custom design and then you can list these particular designs on your website. If someone wants to buy this particular design, then the customer will place the order on your website and then the order will get synced in the Printify system. Then Printify will deliver the product to the customer. So guys, you don't even need to maintain the inventory with you. Everything Printify is going to do. Only thing that you need to do is a design a particular logo or a particular design. Like if I want to design a t-shirt, so I'll click on this particular t-shirt. So this is how their t-shirt looks. So they have given all the details also. The same details will appear on your website. So now if you want to customize this particular t-shirt and want to upload on your website, then you will select this particular design and then you'll upload your custom design logo or whatever design that you have made inside Canva or even Photoshop, and then you'll upload over here in the center or at the wherever you want. It's super easy. So now let's look at the pricing. So you have free plan, premium plan, and enterprise plan. In the free plan, you don't need to pay anything to Printify. You get 5 stores per account and you get unlimited product designs. But you have advantage over here inside the premium and enterprise plan. In the enterprise and premium plan, you get the higher store limit, then you get unlimited product discounts, and also you get extra 20% discount on premium plan on all products, and you also get additional discounts on all products on enterprise plan. So whatever plan suits you, you can go. But before starting as a beginner, you can go for the free plan and you can explore. Now let's see what are the additional categories they work under. So you have t-shirts, mugs, then you have blankets, you have clothings also for women, then you have some soy candles and all. So these are the number of products you have. You can click on the new arrivals to see what new arrivals are there. Then you can also sell the mobile covers, even you can sell sipper glass, the coffee blend also. So this is how you can start your dropshipping business. Now you'll ask me how you are going to sell these particular products. So basically you'll need a e-commerce website. For that you can use Shopify. To create a Shopify store, I have already created tutorials on my channel Coded. So go and watch those before starting with the drop shipping. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how drop shipping works for Printify. So if you love this video, then please go ahead, the subscribe button down, also press the bell icon to get notifications from my new videos. Also please like and share this video. Thank you.